Hi, Jay Dean here at Tameron Hyundai, 1 mile up from the Galleria, here in the heart of beautiful Hoover, Alabama. I want to thank you for your interest on that silver SC Tucson. Got it right here for you. You're going to notice a lot of nice things that come standard on this vehicle, like your alloy wheels. Also has your blind spot mirror right here. When you come inside, it's going to have the Yes fabric. The Yes fabric is a fabric that does not hold stains, it does not hold odors, and it does not create static electricity. It's also going to have your Bluetooth. It's got your backup camera. It's got a lot of great features. It's also going to have 164 horsepower, 6-speed Shiftronic transmission. Come on back here, you'll see that the rear of the vehicle, you've got your nice two-sided cargo mat, plastic or rubber on one side, carpet on the other. You've got your cargo net so that you can put your bottles of milk, wine, soda, whatever you want to carry that you don't want to break in that. Your seats are going to be a 60-40 split on that, but the best thing about this vehicle, it's going to be America's best warranty. It comes with a 5-year, 60,000-mile new car warranty, 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. But guess what? Here at Tameron Hyundai, we double that warranty to 20 years, 200,000 miles, no cost to yourself, good anywhere in the USA. My name's Dean. Give me a call at 205-401-5511. Jay, I look forward to hearing from you, and I want to help you get into a new car because you're going to love the way you're treated here at Tameron Hyundai.